Snake! Snakes can hear despite having no external ears. Cricket! Male crickets chirp to attract females. Hippopotamus! Their eyes, nose, and ears are located on the top of their head, which means they can see and breathe while submerged in the water. Cheetah! Cheetahs are the fastest land animal on Earth. Antelope! Antelopes are hoofed mammals with hollow horns. Alligators! Alligators can grow very large, with males reaching up to 14 feet long and weighing over 500 pounds. Females are usually smaller, staying under 9 feet long. Raccoon! Raccoons are most active at night and are rarely seen during the day. They have excellent night vision. Elephant. Elephants are the largest land animal on Earth. Adult male African elephants can weigh up to 6,000 kilos and stand up to 3 meters tall. Owl. Owls have big eyes with wide pupils, but their eyes are immobile. They can swivel their heads to look in any direction. Lions. Lions live in prides in the grasslands and savannas of Africa. Tiger. Tigers are the largest wildcats in the world, weighing up to 300 kilograms and growing up to 2.8 meters long. Monkey. Monkeys are part of the primate group of animals, which also includes apes, humans, bush babies, and lemurs. Fox. Foxes live in dens, which are underground burrows where they raise their young and hide from predators. Koala bear. Koalas are native to Australia and live in the eucalyptus forests of the country's east coast. Giraffe. Giraffes are herbivores, which means they only eat plants and never eat meat. They mainly eat leaves and buds from trees. Bear. During the winter, a bear can hibernate for up to 100 days. Kangaroo. Kangaroos are mammals with pouches, making them marsupials. Thanks for watching Part 1 of Animal Facts. Stay tuned for Part 2 of Animal Facts. Thanks and have a wonderful day. Bye.